Alright, y'all, what's up, y'all? So we just took the wheel off. Looks like we're gonna need an Allen wrench to unscrew this. You unscrew this, I guess, and then you just slide this piece of metal out. You should be able to just pull the brakes out. Here are the brake pads we will be using. These are the part numbers. Wilwood. Now, oh no, these are not gonna work. Look at that. Isn't that something, y'all? These are not gonna work. Unless this, oh my gosh. Ain't that something? I just spent 60 bucks on some pads that's not gonna work. What the heck? Let's see something here. Well, you know what? We are gonna see because according to my research, these should work, but you know, we're gonna take these off, put those pads in, and maybe this thing is what's gonna hold it in place. So we are gonna see, and as you can see, they have like holes up here where these slice in. These do not have holes in them, guys. They don't have holes. So what the heck's going on? Anyways, I'll try to take them out. As you can see, they still have like a lot of meat on them, so I don't know where that sound is coming from. All right, so as you can see, folks, there is still a lot of meat on these brake pads. So I'm not willing to just change them out just for the sake of changing them out. I mean, firstly, the car still brakes really well. Not only that, but I don't want to start taking things apart. You know, what they say, don't try to fix what's not broken. So I'm just trying to figure out where that noise is coming from. So it ain't coming from this, because these brake pads still got a lot of meat left. Now, let me turn the wheel. There's still a lot of meat left on that. Look at that. If it can focus. And that's on both sides. Here is the passenger side. As you can see, there's still a lot of meat left. You can see it in there, but look here, there is still a lot of meat left. That's what holds it in there. Wait a minute. Yeah, there's still a lot of meat left, so I'm not sure where that noise is coming from. I've checked. The dust pad doesn't scrape anything anywhere. There's nothing loose, so I'm not sure where that noise is coming from. Well, guys, oh, I didn't even torque it down. So just put the wheels back on, because I'm not going to change it because I might end up messing something up. Totally forgot to torque the lug nuts down, so we're going to do that. Take it out for a drive and see how it goes.